Word problems on addition and subtraction of fractions. Here is a word problem that involves working with fraction. In this problem, we have this question that says, a recipe requires 3/8 cup of oil. Now, if you already have 1/8 cup, how much more oil do you need to add? A good understanding of what this question is pointing out will help you understand what you're trying to do. So I already have 1/8 cup of oil. I need more than this. So that is a particular fraction of a cup of oil added to this would give me 3/8, which is the required amount according to the recipe. So in order to get what amount of cup of oil I need left, I just need to find the difference between 3/8 and 1/8. So, solution. Since I already have, so amount of oil required is 3/8. And then the amount of oil available is 1/8. So amount of oil needed would then be 3/8 minus 1/8. So let's solve that. Now we are working with fractions with the same denominator. So as we do with fractions with the same denominator, you will write out the common denominator, in this case 8, and then we'll perform the arithmetic subtraction of the numerators. So we have 3 minus 1, and this would give us 2/8. Now let's bring this fraction to its lowest term. So we divide by a common factor, which is 2. So divided by 2, divided by 2. And this would give us 2 divided by 2, we have 1. And 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. So, you need 1/4 cup of oil. And that is the solution to this question. Thank you.